Okay, this is my truck, the interior. See the ugly roofing? The vinyl shit, it's ugly. Changing it. Seat cover. Black carpeting, look at the shitty floor. New door panels, I mean there's no speakers or shit, everything is falling apart. Truck is brown, ugly color. New rims. I need new rims. New paint job, the bed. Going around. This is the other side. This is the steering wheel. And this is the hood. This is the front view. New paint job, black with some red. And I'll show you everything that was rotting away. Look at my tailgate. Look at all that rust. Like, that's just sad. And then my freaking door panels, look at them. Look at it, it's taped together. Look at that shit. Great panels, aren't they? Okay. Ow. It's gonna stop soon.